whole building, there are hundreds of shops selling glasses, different glasses. Very large. I already feel overwhelmed. Every shop is busy. Hello everyone, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. Would you believe that you can get a pair of prescription glasses for a fraction of the price back home? Today, I'm taking you to Beijing's biggest glasses market. Now I'm at Panjiayuan Glasses City. If you need the prescription glasses or sunglasses, this place can save you a lot of money. The name Panjiayuan might ring a bell. There's a very famous antique market nearby. I've filmed a video before. That is Panjiayuan Antique Market. And this is the Panjiayuan Glasses City. This is where Beijingers have been buying glasses for years. Here, the glasses are surprisingly cheap, and the shops offer free eye test. So that's why I said you can get your prescription glass within 1 hour. Choose your glass, bargain the price, get a free eye test, and then within 1 hour, you can get your professional prescription glass. I don't wear prescription glass myself, but when I was in school, many of my classmates came here to get theirs. Recently, I've seen quite a few videos from foreigners saying they will stop by this market before leaving China to buy several pairs of the glasses. Apparently, I think in some countries, the glasses are much more expensive. I don't know if it's true, and you can tell me what's the price of the glasses in your country. This place has quite a history. In 1970s, it was the Beijing state-owned glass factory, but in 80s, it was turned into the huge glasses market. Nowadays, this is the most famous place in Beijing if you want to buy the glasses. And yes, the shops here, some of them are fantastic, but also some could overcharge you. So what's the difference? How do we spot the difference between the good shops and the bad shops? Today, let's go shopping here together. Of course, I don't need a prescription glass. This is non-prescription glass. I wear it to fit the vibe. I bought it from Shenzhen, Huaqiangbei. Remember, this is the AI glass. But maybe I will find a nice pair of sunglasses. You will find everything here, from the famous international brand to the affordable local ones. And there are hundreds of shops inside. It's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, I've got 7 practical tips that will help you shop here like a local. By the end of my video, you will exactly know how to avoid paying tourist prices. So let's go. Okay, here is my tip number 1. If someone approaches you at the front of the building, just ignore them. Maybe they will offer to take you to a shop. Say no. Let's go. Wow, look at the whole building. There are hundreds of shops selling glasses, different glasses. And here is the tip number 2. Go to the 3rd floor and the 4th floor instead of the 1st and the 2nd. The rent downstairs is much higher, so the prices are higher too. And many of the older family-run shops are in the upstairs, so they will be more honest with the price. So let's go upstairs first. You see the brands? Tom Ford, Swarovski. How to spell it? Porsche. Oh, Prada. This is the 1st floor. Yeah. Many of the international brands. Oh, they also sell the AI glasses. Maybe later. Yeah. After we finish the 3rd floor, we can go downstairs to look around. It's already very international. See? This is the second floor. You know, I think they are quite local because they go to the third floor. Here is the tip number 3. If you are looking for the prescription glass, looking for the shops with their own eyes exam room and lens cutting machine, this will give you the extra peace of mind. Like this one, see, they have the separate eyes exam room. Oh, let's go inside and have a look. 哎，你好。嗯。这是树脂吗？很轻。
嗯，这超轻板材的，镜片会换成树脂的。
哦。
最多记着你我刚才我说了，我也不知道这是不是。再一个那个比较超硬的。
These are sunglasses.
其实人工光度跟你跟爸差不多，85吧。
Oh, this looks good and it's very light. Helen Keller. Really? I doubt it. Tip number 4. Here's the biggest mistake some tourists make. They buy from the first shop they like. Always compare the price first. Here's a simple trick. You visit a shop and pick up the frame and the lenses you want, and then ask them for the lowest price. But don't buy immediately. Just visit a few more shops. And you can just say the things to them. I just checked the same product in another shop. So give me your best price. Of course, you say this sentence with your translation app, maybe. Yeah. Okay, let's go upstairs to the 4th floor. Wow. I think it's harder than I thought to choose the shop and choose the glasses. Wow. This shop looks professional. Let's see. Hi, 你好，看看。Wow, this one looks cool. It's very light. You know, nowadays is the China's summer vacation, so many school students came here to find their glasses. Wow, I already feel overwhelmed. Even me feel overwhelmed. You know, all of these glasses are very light. Feels nothing on your face. It's good. I like this one. It looks good. Oh. I like this one. I want to buy this one. Only the frame, maybe. Okay, this one is already on my list. Oh, this one looks very cool. It's like the swimming glass. It's also very good. I also like this one. It's weird. I don't have the prescription, but yeah, I want to buy the glass. And this one, the AI glass, is very heavy, very heavy. 要哎，这个多少钱呀？
要配一套会贵一点，这一套给您就打。
So many choices. Oh, I always want a white frame. This is a very famous brand, the Japanese brand. The owner is very busy. I will remember this shop and come back here later. And I know the price now, 170 for one pair. So yeah, let me hang around first. Every shop you pass, someone calling you over, hope you come inside. I feel so embarrassed, especially filming the video. Tip number 5, ask what's included in the price. For me, sunglasses is easy, but as for the prescription glasses, you should ask what's included in the price, like the eye exam, the nose pads, the lens fitting, to make sure there's no hidden charge. And sometimes the shops offer you a lot of free gifts. You can just skip them and ask for the lower price. Trust me, the free gifts aren't worth much anyway. Now I will apply my tip number 4 to look for the similar glass and ask for the price. Looks almost the same, not exactly, but almost. So I will ask the price. Every shop is busy. 灰色。
对，变色就是那种。
哦，这个多。Okay, she offered me 200 yuan, 30 yuan higher than the other shop. 哦，谢谢谢谢。这好轻啊，这是什么的呀？
都是树脂的。
都是树脂的。
对，这个板。
Okay, just now she offers me 150, so it's cheaper, but not exactly same. So yeah, later when I go back, I can ask her for the lower price. So I'm confident about the price. You know what I mean? My tip, really useful. Tip number 6. If you are buying famous brands like the Zeiss or Ansler, to check if they are an authorized dealer, that can make sure you buy the genuine lenses. You see the authorization here. Ansler and Zeiss, and that's the certification. It means you can get the genuine lenses here. 哦，这也行。对对对，180. Okay, I think that's enough. Now I can go back to buy my perfect glass. Okay, now I'm back. Which one? I've gone. 对。Okay, but I didn't negotiate the price yet because I want to choose more sunglasses. We have a very clever talk, and the owner side, more and more foreigners nowadays came here to buy the glasses. So since we have the nice talking, so I want to choose more. Okay, that's it. That's what I want. Okay, I will do the eye exam. I don't actually need an eye test. I have perfect vision. I choose the photochromic lenses. But the owner was super nice and let me film the eye test. Hello guys, I have a super exciting news for you. If you are planning a trip to Beijing and love exploring the real Chinese food, I just released my very own Beijing Food Guide PDF. I've put all my heart into compiling the best and most authentic local restaurant into one guide. You can grab your own copy through the link in the description below. Now I choose the sunglasses color. Oh. And then the owner will change the lens for me. I just choose. The lens can change the color. Only 20 minutes. Okay, it's done. When I go outside, the lens will change the color to prevent the sun. Now let's do the test. See? See? Color change. Wow. That's great. The free glass box. And I can choose one. Oh, I totally forgot to tell you the final price. It's 150 RMB. Plus one, this one. It's just for fun because this one is not very comfortable. It's heavy. It's heavy. 100 yuan for this one. Yeah. But this one, on my eyes, this one is very comfortable and very light. And the lens can change color. It's good. Okay, here is tip number 7. If you need the eye exam, do a full eye examination and wear the trial lenses at least 10 minutes and look at things near and far. And if you don't feel dizzy or uncomfortable, then you are ready to order. And of course, if you already wear the glasses, so bring your old one, and that can make them better understand your condition about the eyes. Yeah. And one thing I like this place is the classic Chinese fast and efficient. After you order and you do your eye exam, you can pick up your glass within 1 hour. And I asked the owner just now, within 20 minutes, so you get your perfect frame and the perfect prescription glass. Very fast, very efficient, right? Okay, at last, now here's the question everyone wants to know. How much should the glasses actually cost here? Here's a rough price guide. Chinese brand with the ordinary frame always cost 100 to 300 yuan. The Asler lens with the mid-range frame always cost 300 to 600 yuan. And the Z lens with the mid-range frame cost 600 yuan to 900 yuan. And of course, the premium ones can cost more. And that's the rough price guide. And if the price is unbelievable high, it means they treat you as a tourist. If the price is unbelievable cheap, be careful too. It could be the fake products or something different from what you were promised. So, would I recommend buying glasses here? Yes, definitely. But only if you know how to shop, compare prices, don't rush, ask questions, and negotiate the price. If you do that, you can probably save a lot of money. Even you don't need the prescription glass. Like me, you can still buy the sunglasses. It's a good place to buy all kinds of glasses. I hope this video helps if you are planning a trip to Beijing. Now I'm curious, what does a pair of glass cost where you live? Tell me in the comment. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see you in my next video. Bye bye.